Transferring lines, polylines, multilines for layouts, and working in world coordinate system. So the workflow for this would be to first set the Z value. We're going to set the set Z value to the center Z of the layout. This is 5.6. And once this is done, we can choose the line tool, then press enter, then a new window will appear. We want to work in the world coordinate system and use lines. Again, by picking 2 points on each line, we are going to transfer the information to ZWCAD. Now we created lines. At the end, click on Finish Intersect, and then all the lines will be connected. When we select them, we can see that the Z coordinates are correct. Then same applies when working with polylines. Also in the world coordinate system, we would like to create polylines. Same workflow, pick 2 points on each line. And at the end again. So here also as a tip, when picking points, we can click on Alt or keep Alt pressed in order to snap at the point cloud. And now we also created polylines. Now the last option is create multiple lines, meaning that they don't have to be connected to each other. Then for that, PC line, multiple lines, and separate multiple lines can be transferred. So for example, for the lines in the middle of our layout of the building can be transferred. However, the strength of the tool can be demonstrated even better when working with repetitive elements such as beams or wooden trusses, stuff like that, where we have to create multiple parallel lines of the specific elements. This can be easily vectorized using multiple line tool. We can set another Z value if these are going to be at another elevation. And then by working with multiple lines in world coordinate system, we can transfer the coordinates of these elements very easily and very fast. So as you can see, we set the Z at a specific value. However, there are other options available as well when transferring the coordinates using the multiple line tool. Either this one by fixing locking axis, or actually transfer the real coordinates of the picked points, but this will result in a 3D line. So when we are going to look at it from the front view, for example, they won't be at the same level, but they will be on different heights.